here we have given refractive index. What do you mean by refractive index? At first you have to know the definition of the refractive index. Here refractive index Ri is equal to, which is denoted by mu. Refractive index mu is equal to the ratio of speed of light to the speed of light in medium. The ratio of speed of light in vacuum, which is denoted by C, with respect to, or with the ratio of speed of light to the medium of light in the medium. Speed of light in medium. Okay. Here the refractive index mu is equal to the ratio of speed of light in vacuum. Okay. To the speed of light in medium. Whatever may be the medium, whether it is plane or curved, whatever it is, whether it is air, water, kerosene, whatever may be the medium or media. Okay. Here the refractive index is used to calculate how the light is traveling. Okay. Here you are going to know that what is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the medium. What is the speed of the light? You are going to calculate in each media. Okay. Whether it is in water or kerosene or whatever it may be, oil, whatever it may be, air, you have to know all the refractive index of all these things or components. One is water, kerosene, oil, all refractive indexes you have to know. For example, water 1.33. You have to know all this list and you have to work. Okay. I am giving the work. You have to write the refractive index of all the surfaces. Okay. Here we will know that what is the speed of the light. You all know very much. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second is the speed of the light. Right. Here the mathematical representation of refractive index. Refractive index is n is equal to, where we denote n is equal to C by V. That is, here we have given the speed of light with respect to medium. Okay. Going to the topic, Snell's law, n1 sin is equal to n2 sin r. Okay. If you want the refractive index in a medium, you will further simplify it. You bring this term from right hand side to left hand side. n1 upon n2 is equal to sin r by sin I. You can know, if you need n1, you will get through this. Okay. If you want n1, you will bring this side. n2 is equal to sin r sin I. n1 is equal to sin r n2 by sin I. Okay, you can calculate the mathematical values. If I have given the n1 value, you can find out sin r value and I values. You have to find the angle of incidence and angle of refraction with respect to the medium, whatever it may be. Okay. Whether I will give you the air media and kerosene medium. Okay, whatever may be the medium, you have to find out the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Okay, and refractive index. I will give the 3 terms. You have to find out the another term. Okay. Here the speed of light in medium is low when refractive index of medium is high. Whenever the speed of light is high in a medium, the refractive index of the medium is low. If we change to, if the refractive index of medium is low, speed of light is high. Vice versa. Okay. Here in the page number 47, there are certain medias given. For air 1.00, 1.003, 1.3, ice 1.31, water 1.33. Okay, I have stated there were certain refractive indexes which are important in your exams. Okay, you have to write all these refractive indexes. They will ask you in the examination, your public examination. As you all enjoying your holidays, right? We will briefly know what refractive index about a certain medium is. The refractive index of a medium with respect to another medium is called as defined as the ratio of, okay, let V1, V2 be the speeds of the light in the first medium and second medium. Okay, refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is given by N21 is equal to V1 by V2. See, if we consider two speeds or velocity of the light, you will find out, there is a mathematical equation for speed of light and calculating them. Okay, here I am giving you the equation N21 is equal to V1 upon V2, right? The refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. See, if I have given the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, if I have given like this, N12, the refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium. Okay, hope you got the point, right? If I am giving the mathematical equation of the refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium, I have given velocity of the light or speed of the light of first medium to the velocity of the speed of the light in second medium. Otherwise, if I am changing N12 is equal to V2 upon V1, it is the refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, right? See, further we will derive, see, N21 by dividing the numerator and denominator by C, dividing numerator and denominator by C, that is speed of light in vacuum. Okay, V1 by C, V2 by C, numerator and denominator by C, V1 upon C upon V2 by C, that is V1 upon C by V2 by C. Okay, that is equal to, here we have given V1 upon C is 1 upon N1. Here see the definition, N is equal to C by V. Okay, I will write here N is equal to C by V. For example, I take N1 is equal to, we are calculating the speed of the light, right? N1 is equal to C by V. Here is C is the constant, speed of light is constant. Okay, if I take the reciprocal, 1 upon N1 is equal to, the denominator and numerator changes, V1 upon C. Okay, here we substitute V1 upon C is what? 1 upon N1, right? Here N21 is equal to, here V1 upon C is 1 by N1, right? Focus on this. Upon 1 by N1 upon, for V2 upon C is 1 by N2 is V2 upon C, right? That is 1 by N2. Okay? There were some important examples which have been asked few years before. Okay, you have to know each and every example and do you know and everything in this textbook that which have been printed to you as a gift. Okay, you have to go through every line of this textbook, every lab activity. Okay, let me now explain the two mediums. Denser medium and rarer medium. What happens when a light travels from denser medium to rarer medium? What happens when a light travels from rarer medium to denser medium? If we question ourselves, what is denser medium? There is a lot of risk people taking, and you people taking risk of these two media. Okay, here there were two media called denser medium and rarer medium. Okay, if we will compare this denser and rarer media with respect to the normal, students keep going asking me that what is denser medium, brother? What is rarer medium? I am keep on going them answer. See, if I take this normal surface, okay, normal surface like this, when a light ray coming from an infinity or some place, it bends towards the normal and it comes towards the normal. It comes towards the normal. When a light ray coming from a place, it bends away from the normal. That is rarer medium. When a light ray coming from an infinitive, it bends towards the normal is denser medium. When it moves away or bends away from the normal, it is rarer medium. Okay.